Hey, welcome to UK Wildcrafts. In this video I'll show you how to make garlic mustard pesto. You can also use wild garlic, but I prefer the milder flavour of garlic mustard. And you can also use basil for a more traditional pesto. Check out my video on garlic mustard identification if you're not sure how to identify it. I'll leave the link in the description. It's best to use the upper portion of the plant from early April onwards when the plant is in flower. The lower basal leaves can be a little bit too bitter. To make the pesto, you'll need about 150 grams of garlic mustard, about 50 grams of pine nuts, and about 50 grams of parmesan. You can use a vegan alternative if you want, or you can just leave out the parmesan altogether if you don't want to use it. 1 clove of garlic, and you'll need about 150 ml of olive oil. You can use a bit more if you want a looser pesto, and just a pinch of sea salt. So first job is to toast the pine nuts in a dry pan, so no oil. Cook them on a low to medium heat until golden brown. Just keep giving the pan a bit of a shake to make sure the pine nuts don't burn. It won't take very long, just a few minutes. Once they're ready, just transfer them into a bowl to cool down. They'll cool down a lot quicker if you take them out of the pan. Now you can give your garlic mustard a good wash. And roughly chop it up. You can also grate your parmesan. And loosely chop your garlic. Now we can add all of the ingredients together into a blender. The most important thing is that the pine nuts have cooled down to room temperature, because if they're still warm, they'll cook the pesto and make it go brown and sludgy. We want a nice vibrant green pesto. there we have it, a nice vibrant green garlic mustard pesto. So pesto is great as a salad dressing or stirred into pasta, used as a dip for sourdough or as a marinade for meat. And kept in the fridge, it should last for at least 2 to 3 weeks.